Okay, we have a new case with us here today.
Yes.
And this is from a new brand.
TRYX.
TRYX. How do we call them?
TRYX, confirm
Okay.
Okay,
TRYX.
TRYX. So this case is so new to the point that I think we're publishing not long after its unveiling.
Yeah, actually it's quite late, but never mind. The point is we saw the actual case during Computex 2025 last year. So finally we got this is the finalized product.
Yeah, the retail
for
unit.
The retail units. So this is the FLOVA F50. What's so special about this? Of course, at the first glance, you can see fabric.
It kind of looks like fabric, but chainmail kind of metal. Fancy design.
Yeah.
So how you want to start first?
We can start by taking off everything, all the panels. We can see
All
how
at
it goes.
once. Okay,
So
come.
you can start with the
Front
first.
panel.
Of course, the front panel is very easy to remove. Just a pull at the pull tab, and there it goes.
Oh, quite hefty, eh?
Quite hefty. I think it's a combination of metal, plastic, and
Fabric.
Yep.
Definitely kind of weird type of fabric.
Yeah.
Oh, it's this case, okay.
And you can see here the front is open. Basically, you can put 120, 140 mil fans, and there is a special fan here.
Yes, we have to take apart the tempered
Yeah,
glass
then we can
first.
only find out more about this thing because this is one of the selling point of this case.
You can also see this part here is special. They're not using the typical grills. It's kind of angled grill. And the side panel, this part does not come out with the side panel.
Yeah, the side panel tempered glass goes out from here. Pretty thick, I think 4 mil.
Okay.
From the sound, you can also
Ding, ding, ding.
tell from it.
Yeah, quite good. Here you also have another piece of fabric alongside with the I/O ports. Now the I/O ports kind of depends on how you want to position your case. This one is meant to be on top of your table.
Yeah.
And you have double USB-A ports, 1C, and combo audio jack. That's it. One power button
Yep.
as well.
Yeah,
Very
power
clicky.
button, very clicky. Yes.
So this kind of I/O port placement, one thing good is that you don't have to worry about your pets, your kids go press on them. Less likely to happen.
Less likely to happen, yes. And if you look at the internals, the motherboard tray here, it supports the back connect motherboards. You can see all the cutouts here at the bottom. And the way this is, it does not support eATX. Definitely you can see here, this up to the ATX only. So cable management can be done through all these cutouts at the side here. Now, if you look at the side of the panel there, you can see there are still more fan mounting points for you to put intakes.
Yes, we should open that side, talk about that, and the fan placement as well.
Yeah, we will see more about that.
What is this tech doing here?
I don't know, nowadays they have this kind of modern product, they have this kind of product tags and
At least they
everything.
got some sample of the fabric material they let you see.
Oh, interesting.
It is fabric, but it does feel
They-
a bit
PC
plasticky.
casing stuff, they are moving towards like a fashion kind of
I'm
product.
kind of okay with it though. They got a different material mixture.
Yeah, and then the other side panel, as I mentioned just now, you can put intake fan. Then you have this magnetic.
Okay, good. And they
dust
just
filter.
stuck a tape there to prevent it from moving around.
Yeah,
But
for
yes,
shipping.
you can take it out. It
Yep.
is magnetic.
Magnetic.
They are really easy to wash.
Good and easy and simple. If you look from this side, plenty of space here for your cable management. The bottom for your power supply. At the front here, we have a hard
Really
disk
spacious.
cage,
Yes.
which you can also remove by removing, these thumb screws.
Yes. Can you put 2 hard disks? I think yes.
It is not captive thumb screw.
Oh,
So
yeah, here it is.
I think you can put 2 hard disks because you can also reposition it. If you look closely here, they have another railing, so you can like move it out a bit. But if you have fans and radiator at the front, usually you won't move it. And nowadays, since most of us we already start using M.2 hard disk, SSD, so this is like
Not really
Additional
needed.
accessories for those who are still relying on 3.5 or 2.5 inch.
Yeah, so the way you install this is pretty typical. You just
Yeah.
screw it to this bay.
It's
Snap it in.
it's a single rail.
I'm quite
At the
sure
top,
you can
put
also
another-
screw.
Yeah,
yes.
you can put another one here.
Yeah.
Because they also can see the 2.5 inch placement here.
Yeah.
There are also another two and this
Two more there.
two more here.
This thing you can also remove rather easily. Thumb
Yeah,
screw.
thumb screw.
Then some
Hooks. Pretty much it's just one single screw bottom. Then
At
yeah.
least this one is captive.
so yeah. Not sure why they only put the rubber grommets at the top part.
Yes, but not at the side
Not
here.
at this side here.
But at least you have a lot more Velcro,
mean-
Velcro straps to
Yeah,
tie everything
there
down.
are Velcro straps.
Where the cable come from? The cable come from the bottom there.
Yeah, the
Kind of
bottom.
interesting. The
You
cable-
can see here the cable. Because the I/O is at the other side there.
Yeah, and then they just
So,
route on top,
yeah.
and everything goes there. In a way, at least they clear up a lot of space here. So if your power supply
Yeah.
is real long, you want to clear all your cable, you can just stuff
Yeah,
everything
you
there.
can really hide everything. Just throw everything there without any issue.
Okay, back to fans.
Wait, before that, the top
Oh, the
panel
top,
still can
yes.
remove I mean you can actually pull it up.
Yes, pull.
Oh.
Ball and catch.
So again, ball and catch, magnetic dust filter.
Oh, good.
Again, good. Very last piece indeed. And this tape we can remove because it is for shipping purposes. So yeah. And the bottom, I believe there's another dust filter for the power supply.
Yes, you remove.
I think we can take a closer look here. Let me flip it over
I think it's on this
for
side.
you.
Oh, the front.
So what's going on? Wow, that's a huge piece of
Yes, front to back.
dust filter.
Pull there.
It goes from the front. This is very good design.
Yes.
Pulling out from the front is always better than the back.
I'm okay if pulling from the side as well.
Yeah, side is fine.
Front is the best.
Front. Worst is at the back because
You have to pull out the entire thing.
yeah. You're correct. So amazing. I don't know why they need to have such a huge piece of dust filter.
Why not?
But yeah, why not?
Why not? This is good design.
Okay. So now you mentioned about the fans.
Yes.
We can talk about a few of those
I
fan
want to
mounting
know
points.
total fan mounting options first.
Okay, the front you can put 120, 140, so the front here, triple.
Triple 140, is it possible?
Possible. In fact, because of this, how do you call this fan? Is it?
Spinny fan.
Uh,
We'll talk about that later, okay? Talk about the back
yeah,
first.
the back here, you can also put another, I believe, 240.
240 probably.
Yeah, for intake.
Yes.
Then the top, don't forget about the top here.
Yes, the top.
Definitely you can put
Triple.
360, 320, that is, 140 as well. And the back here, we
Yes.
have the exhaust.
They include one fan.
Yeah, include one exhaust fan here.
120.
Mm.
Only 120 at the back.
And just now I asked why we need such a big filter at the bottom.
Yes, yes.
Oh,
I wanna know.
apparently they have prepared screw holes for fans at the bottom here.
You're gonna suck air from your power supply.
Through the
Especially this one.
power supply chamber.
Yeah. I mean, this one, okay. I
This is
understand.
fine, I can understand.
This one,
But hey,
why not?
why not?
Why not?
And that brings us to this
Spinny fan. Cross flow.
cross flow. This is like you know your air conditioners, the indoor unit.
Spinny blade fan
Yes.
things.
They basically just use the same concept put inside this thing.
Yes. So when it spins, it pulls air from this side, which is why this side is
Yes.
angled in this way. So air goes in,
So
then it comes out from here.
It comes out from here.
Technically, if you look at it this way, it is one fan doing the job of a row of fans, kind of.
Kind of.
Not the same amount of airflow, but you get one whole
Yeah.
column of air going in
Guess
here,
so.
coming out here.
Would you like to power it up?
Do we have anything to power
I think
it?
I have an adapter.
Please, yes. So, we jump-started the crossover?
Crossflow.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So, I got this piece of random receipt. You can see it's sucking in air from this side. It's very, how do you say this, directional in a way. So it just sucks in air this way, and then the air goes out this way.
Yeah. I can definitely feel.
Yeah, you can feel the entire row here. The entire column has airflow. Actually, quite strong, the wind.
Yeah.
And it's also not, I mean, okay, if you look at it from this angle, it looks like the air is only going through the front part,
Yes.
but actually it spreads inward.
It spreads inwards like in this kind of
Cone shape.
direction. Yeah,
Yeah,
like
yeah,
cone
yeah, cone
shape.
shape.
If you look from here, it's like it goes through there. So it actually like push the air to all your components like your CPU and your GPU.
your RAM.
I can see how this is especially useful for those tower air coolers.
Yes,
Yep.
tower air cooler especially. And one thing good is that if you don't like this, you can easily remove it. There are just
basically
screws here.
Yep.
6 screws. Kind of weird, but yeah,
No,
6
no,
screws.
that's a lot of screws.
Is it? Or 8?
12. They use 12 screws here.
12. Oh my god, my eyes. Wait, I should show you. Oh,
Yes.
yeah, a lot more screws.
Yes.
So you can hear the sound here is actually the fan running.
The fan is running.
Not the most quiet fan ever.
Because now the fan is running at 100% because there's no PWM.
Does this thing have PWM?
Yeah. They have PWM.
Oh, you hook it like this?
Yeah.
Yeah. The way we hook it up is
This is just
power, no data.
no data, no RPM, no data, everything. Just pure maximum speed. I mean, this is the first time we see it in, as a finalized product.
Yes,
because
before this it's just
yeah, just
demo.
Computex demo there.
I remember
So-
this case having a lot more colors.
Yeah, they do have more color options. For this particular model, I'm not too sure if they have others, but if there is, I think you can
We
see
just
them
show
on
you
the
on the
screen.
screen. Yeah.
Because this is not the only model they're using this kind of design language. They have other designs that, I mean, we will see. We will see in the future they send us all those stuff
Yeah.
for testing. Yeah, I think that's pretty much all we can mention about this FLOVA.
Yeah.
F50.
Kind of straightforward case. Also, one thing I want to highlight is that
Yeah.
you do have quite a lot of space here as well. If you want to put radiator at the front, you
Push
can.
through can.
You can because you got quite a lot of gap here.
Yeah. If not mistaken, you can also unscrew this
Put it at the
crossflow. Not just put it aside, but put at the top.
Huh?
You can do so. I mean, if you want to put really big fans and radiator at the front, and then put this at the top, you can.
Weird, but okay.
But okay.
Okay. Before we go, there's accessory
Also,
box.
accessory box for that.
Can you please find out the price of this thing first?
Price.
And also the colors available.
3 colors. Black and white is 639. Pink color is 659.
Pink color. Ah?
Yes.
And then got one more. Black and white.
Black, white, pink.
Okay, not
Black,
bad.
white, pink. Okay.
So you do have the user manual.
User manual.
Very big piece of user manual. Not gonna open it here. The accessories, you got the usual zip tie, screws. Long screws for
Long
your
screws,
radiator?
yes,
Why they
for- push-pull configuration. I mean, sometimes they just include.
For
I
fun.
mean, it's a good thing to have
Oh, and then you got replacement, the
the
latch
ball
system.
catch. Yeah.
That's it. Real simple in terms of accessory, nothing out of the ordinary.
Pretty unique in a way as well, considering that they are experimenting with this kind of a cross-flow fan system. Overall, looks really nice, especially with the fabric kind of front panel and side panel.
I kind of would like to see this case in other colors. Pink,
Green, blue,
matcha color,
powderish, yeah, all those.
cream, teal,
It would be a very nice showpiece
orange,
for that.
papaya color. If you can make textured color like marble with lines, would be a lot more unique.
Yeah, that's why this kind of the fabric weaving is like the pattern. It's like those are rough cloth type.
Yeah, that's why I say it's like
Yeah.
chainmail.
At least they're very texturally, you've got 3D kind of effect instead of the just flat piece.
At least you got some different variation. You got some whitish, some black, grey. Not
Yep.
actually black, but grey.
Yep,
Yeah, unique.
unique.
Yes, for the price, I'd say kind of okay.
It's
Looking
a
at the quality, the features.
it's a good option to consider right now because
Premium
there are
for
so
sure.
so many PC casing out there.
Yes.
So definitely some customers they would like something that stands out, different from other offerings.
And has back connect as well, so can serve you
So-
longer period of time in case you want to
Play
try something new.
Yep. So
Not
yeah.
try X something new.
No.
Try X something new.
Okay. So that's it for our quick tear down and
Speed run.
impression of this TRYX FLOVA F50. If you guys have any questions in regards to this case, you can leave it down in the comment section below. And we will see you guys in the next video.
Bye bye.